Welcome to our educational video on quick and nutritious meal ideas for busy lives. Eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming. Let's explore some easy and delicious recipes. First up, a vibrant avocado and black bean salad, packed with nutrients and flavor. Next, a speedy stir-fry with colorful veggies and lean protein, perfect for a fast, balanced meal. Upgrade your breakfast with overnight oats, a simple yet nutritious option for hectic mornings. Love smoothies? Try a green power smoothie for a quick boost of vitamins and energy. For a satisfying dinner, consider a quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl, a well-rounded meal in no time. Wraps are versatile and convenient. Fill yours with grilled chicken and veggies for a balanced lunch on the go. Don't forget snacks. Keep it simple with Greek yogurt and berries or hummus and veggie sticks. Meal prep tip: cook in batches for the week ahead to save time and stay on track with healthy eating. Healthy eating is all about balance. Make smart choices that fit your lifestyle. We hope these ideas inspire you to eat well even when time is tight. Happy cooking!